I want traders to understand what we mean by kind of blue delta. And so what blue delta represents, right, essentially is this, right? The blue delta itself will represent the fact that there's more aggressive buyers than sellers, right? So again, this candle over here, when we zoom into the price action, we see 399 for 706, we see 37 for 244, and we also see 0 for 16 at the top. So these three kind of candles I'm showing you are incredibly important when it came to forming this trade. We saw huge buying and we saw a finished auction at the top. So a finished auction, I want you to understand it like this, right? So a 0 and a 16, right? The 16 is on the right hand side. That represents the bid and ask. So that represents the ask, right? The ask is on the right. When you see a 0, what that means is that the auction between buyers and sellers, i.e. the bid and the ask, has been wiped out. A 0 means the auction has been wiped out, and therefore that then increases the likelihood of price not returning to that area. That's what you can consider a high probability reversal, right? Not by using liquidity sweeps alone or fair value gaps. It's using the order flow to determine two things, basically. First of all, we see a lot of heavy aggressive sellers and we see a finished auction. That means that the market is less likely to reach this area again, and the buyers have failed, which means therefore by default sellers are in control at this stage, right? This is what's interesting. This was a large red candle, but we had some positive delta at the top. In fact, we had 36 for 119. Despite having a massive red candle to the downside, buyers were present in the candle. Buyers were aggressive in the candle. So if you see a red candle, but buyers are aggressive in that candle, that shows you price is moving down despite buyers trying to move the market up. So buyers are failing in this region, right? The terminology we use is absorption, right? Aggressive buyers are being absorbed by passive sellers, right? We understand passive sellers are sitting in this region. And so passive sellers simply represent why the market moves down in the first place. And so when we kind of dive in and we start looking at the entry, again, this entry was just